Did you know 90% of plants can't survive without fungi? These tiny helpers are the secret to forests, gardens, and even the food we eat. Today we're explaining fungi fruiting bodies at 5 completely different levels, from kids to seniors. And by the end, you'll see the natural world completely differently. Let's start with the youngest explorers. Imagine you're in a magical forest where trees whisper to each other. These whispers are made by tiny, invisible helpers called fungi. Fungi are like the gardeners of the forest. They help trees grow strong by sharing food and water through secret underground tunnels. These fungi even help trees talk to each other. If a bug is coming to eat one tree, the fungi send a message so the other trees can protect themselves. When a mushroom grows above ground, it's like the fungi saying, "Hey, look at me." That's the fruiting body, the part we see, but most of the fungi are underground. So next time you see a mushroom in the woods, remember, it's just the tip of a giant, hidden network that helps forests grow and survive. But nature has even more secrets to reveal. As you grow older, you learn that fungi aren't just mushrooms, they're a whole world of science. These networks are called mycorrhizae, and they help plants get nutrients from the soil. In fact, a single forest can have a fungal network connecting over 10,000 trees, like a giant underground internet for plants. Fungi can even transfer nutrients up to 100 feet underground. That's like carrying food from one end of a football field to the other. And these networks can be over 2,400 years old, older than the Great Wall of China. That's how long some fungi have been helping forests grow. Some fungi even help trees warn each other when insects are coming, like a secret alarm system that keeps the whole forest safe. Now let's look at the science driving all of this. Fungi fruiting bodies are the visible part of a much larger organism. They grow when conditions are right and release spores to start new fungal networks. These fruiting bodies are like the flowers of the fungi world. They attract animals and the wind to help spread their spores far and wide. Scientists have found that some fungi can even help trees survive droughts by sharing water through their networks, a kind of natural water pipeline. In one famous study, researchers discovered that mother trees in a forest use fungi to pass nutrients to young saplings, like a family helping the next generation grow. These networks are so ancient and complex that scientists are still discovering new ways fungi help forests adapt and survive. But knowing the science is just the beginning. Fungi fruiting bodies are more than just pretty mushrooms. They're a key part of medicine, agriculture, and even climate change solutions. Some fungi produce powerful antibiotics that help treat infections, and others can break down pollutants in the soil, a natural way to clean up the environment. In agriculture, farmers use fungi to help crops grow stronger and use less water, a sustainable way to feed the world. Fungi are also being studied for their role in carbon storage. They help forests absorb more carbon dioxide from the air, fighting climate change. And in medicine, fungi are used to make drugs like penicillin, a discovery that changed the world and saved millions of lives. And finally, the perspective that ties it all together. The study of fungi began with simple observations in the 1700s, but it wasn't until the 1990s that scientists discovered the vast underground networks connecting entire forests. Scientists like Dr. Suzanne Samar have changed the way we think about forests, proving that trees are not just individuals, but part of a community connected by fungi. Over the past century, our understanding of fungi has grown from simple mushroom hunters to a deep appreciation of their role in the balance of life on Earth. Today, researchers are discovering new species of fungi every year, some that glow in the dark, some that can survive in extreme environments, and some that may hold the key to future medicines. Fungi remind us that life is not just about competition. It's also about cooperation, connection, and resilience. And scientists still can't explain why some fungi glow in the dark, but that's what makes them so fascinating. From the tiniest spore to the oldest tree, fungi are the silent architects of life on Earth, and they've been building forests for thousands of years. Which level gave you a new way to see fungi fruiting bodies?